ดีค่ะ Hi everyone. Today let's make ไก่ทอดหาดใหญ่ or หาดใหญ่ fried chicken. This right here is a Thai southern fried chicken. Thai fried chicken goes so well with sticky rice. I actually made a video on how to make your own sticky rice at home using rice cooker. The link to that video and the full recipe for this fried chicken will both be in the description box below. Before we proceed, give this video a like, share and subscribe to show your support. Let's take a look at our ingredients. We will be blending these together to marinate our chicken. So we have cumin seed, coriander seeds, coriander roots, garlic and black peppercorn. We will also be adding limestone paste water. This is the consistency. You can blend this mixture as coarse or as fine as you would like. Now is the second half of our ingredients. We have limestone paste water, salt, fish sauce, palm sugar and chicken stock powder. This is the part of the chicken that I chose. It's the chicken thigh. To make our marination penetrate deep into the meat and also making the frying process quicker, we are going to score this. Try to avoid the skin. Now we are going to combine our two flour together, which are crispy flour and rice flour. Combine this and follow by cold water or cold soda water. Make sure they are really cold. Next, we are going to add our blended mixture to our chicken and mix this well. After you're done mixing, you're going to cover this and let it sit in the fridge for 30 minutes or up to 24 hours. 1 hour is up and now we are going to add the rest of the seasoning ingredients plus the flour mixture. video. Guys, this is the final product of our Hat Yai fried chicken. If you're interested in trying out this Thai fried chicken recipe, make sure to check out my previous video on how to make sticky rice using a rice cooker. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye!